Oh, and this elevator is modded now.
So, mind if I push this to start?
Yeah.
It's a Haughton.
This is going to be the lobby elevator at Seneca 1, Buffalo, New York.
Buffalo.
Sadly, it seems all the other elevators in the building are modded. But this is original.
Nice. It talks.
Really?
Yep. I've seen your video of this. This is so cool. I love how there's no call station plate for this.
Take class one. Go ahead and take the honors, Julian.
Yep. Lobby.
Going up.
Yes, it does talk.
Yep, this is a Haughton.
No indicator. Here we go.
Watch that.
I love the buttons.
Is this your first Haughton, Daniel?
I think
Second, we rode one earlier before you came.
Oh yes, that's right.
It talks. That's interesting. Classic leveling. That's awesome.
All right, let's go down to Plaza.
Plaza doesn't light up.
Okay. Have you going down?
This is a very unique Haughton install.
Yeah.
I'm sure you know how foamy I get over Haughtons, but this is actually kind of cool.
There's Julian. There's Alex.
Hello.
Hey there.
This is pretty neat.
Fixtures. Let's watch the classic.
Very rare
leveling.
fixtures.
Yeah.
The only other place these have been seen is Chase Tower in Rochester.
Very nice leveling. Let's take it up one more time.
Oh, what are you filming?
Just the elevators.
Why is that?
Because we're interested in them. It's a hobby of ours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I believe this is the only like old elevator left in the building, so we're just documenting it.
Sorry about that.
Oh, no worries.
Don't worry, you are not being filmed. Just the elevator buttons and fixtures and doors.
Lobby.
Yeah, you gotta have a key card for the high-rise elevators.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna push them.
You have a good day, guys.
Have a nice day.
Nice.
Down.
Well, these are cool fixtures. I like those.
Yeah, it's too bad even the service elevator's modded, but at least this thing's here.
Decent cab.
I'm gonna get a close-up of these buttons. Yeah, I love the way these press. I mean, they feel a little cheap and plasticky, but they still look so cool.
It's still a Haughton.
Well, yeah. Look at that, I love that button. Actually, do you mind getting off at the lobby?
Sure.
Yeah, let's do that.
Love that button. And I'll just watch it go out.
I'm gonna do the classic leveling shot.
You see it fine?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Use my ultra wide actually.
Using my zoom lens right here.
Can't quite tell if this is hydro or traction. I'm thinking hydro, but I can't hear anything.
Yeah, the motor is.
Going up.
And that's awesome.
And here we are.
We are.
Oh, and there's the call button. That's so cool.
As you can see, the top, the doors, the outer doors
Are taller than the inner ones.
There it
Well,
goes.
there it goes.
That's it. See you guys.
Pretty decent shape.